The iPhone Air is the last model that Apple makes using titanium frame, as the Pro switched to aluminum just like the vanilla model. Durability is a major concern as the phone weighs and measures only 5.6 mm thick and weighs 165 grams. It has a large 6.5-inch display. Jerry Rig Everything just did a durability test for the phone. The new ceramic shield 2 is 3x harder to scratch according to Apple. According to EU's new energy label, it has 5 on more scale, up from 4 of the previous ceramic shield. As you can see in the test below, the level 6 and level 7 rarely picks up scratch on the new glass. But for a slender phone, one thing is there, will it fold like a paper napkin? The answer is no. Despite massive pressure put by Zach, the iPhone Air proved to be very rigid and resisted attempt to scratch bend by hand. The poster for the YouTube video is a result of the destructive sign that Zach loves to do. He finds out how much force is needed to actually bend the phone. Samsung used aluminum for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. This is slightly thicker than the Air, but has a larger display. It's very interesting to see Apple made a phone that's very difficult to bend and very difficult to scratch.